Welcome to Cooking in 360. I'm your host, Greedy360. Today we're going to sear a boneless ribeye. We're going to go from a frozen ribeye to this perfectly seared masterpiece right in front of you. For today's recipe, we're going to need two 16-ounce ribeyes, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, a half a tablespoon of kosher salt, a quarter teaspoon of coarse ground pepper, maybe some extra salt and pepper to taste, and some rosemary. Hopefully if you have fresh rosemary, you can use that. If not, dried rosemary will be just fine. First, let's thaw out our ribeye and then season generously with salt and pepper. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Have an iron skillet. You can use a pan, but preferably an iron skillet will give you the best results. This is a 14-inch iron skillet I bought off of Amazon. Heat the skillet on high and then add the butter. You should see the butter immediately start sizzling and melting. Add the steaks. Now you should hear a nice sizzle as soon as you add them. This recipe told me to use butter. You could use oil instead, and oil might even give you a better sear. Once you hear it sizzling, just keep scooping the butter on top. Scoop the butter all over the steaks. Sear each side for about 45 seconds or longer if you want more of a crisp. But the longer you cook it, the more dried out your steak can get. So if you want a nice medium rare, try to stick to 45 seconds. Keep scooping more butter, scoop more butter. Now your oven is preheated, so put the skillet directly in the oven. That skillet is hot, so you're definitely gonna need oven mitts. Leave it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Take your skillet out of the oven and then let the steak sit for another 5 minutes. The steaks are still cooking on the inside of that skillet, so just let them sit for 5 minutes. Now slice your ribeye and enjoy. You can see there's a nice medium well cooked in there. I don't like it too rare. I don't like the steaks bleeding everywhere. So that's like a medium rare, medium well. You may have, you can keep it on a skillet less if you want more of a medium rare, or maybe even keep it in the oven for less time. But right there is perfect to me, a nice medium well. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might want to check out. Also, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with your friends.